Hello everyone, welcome to Deep Codes, and today we will see LeetCode weekly tree verification design memory allocator. So here we need to design a data structure that is allocator, and that has two inbuilt function, that is allocate and free. Uh, so let's look at the question first. So here we have to assign we have to allocate a block of size n of the consecutive free memory units, and further we are given three functions here. One is allocator, second is allocate, and third is free. So let me just directly explain you by an example here. So here the allocator function, the first f function or the initiator. So we have to initialize one memory of size n, and we will just return null here. The second is allocate function. So here in allocate function, what we would do is we would assign MID, or we would assign this value inside this allocator n of a size n. Means we would find a block of this size inside this allocator, and we would simply make this value as MID. And the third, we int free of int MID. So what we would do is we would just release this MID stored in this allocator, and we would return the count of MID present inside this allocator. So let us look with this example given to get clear idea. So here first, with the allocator of size 10, we have initialized this. Let's say we have initialized this vector, we just return null. The second is allocate function. So the allocate function has two parameters, that is the size. So one is the size and second is the ID. So we need to first find the block with the size 1, and we need to assign it with this ID. So the first block of size 1 starts from here. So here we have assigned 1, and we return the index of the assigned value. So the first index is 0. Then we allocate MID2 of the first block of size 1. So its index is 1. Then the same for MID3. So its index is 2. Then free. So this free function, what we would do is we would just release the MID with the given value. So for given value, we have released it. So we have made it as blank. And yeah, the count is 1 here. So we just return 1. Then we allocate value 4, that is MID4 of a block of size 3. So here this is one block of size 1. So we can't allocate here. So next block of size 3 possible is here. So we just assign MID4 here, and we return 3 as our starting index, because this starting index is 3. Then we allocated 1. So here we had our block previously, free block of size 1. So we assign MID1 here and return it index. Then we again allocated 1. So here the next free block of size 1 is here present here at the index 6. So we return 6. Then we just free all the MID1. So there were 3 MIDs of value 1. So we just release them and return the count 3. Then we allocated MID2 of a block of size 10. So but in the current current allocator or current vector, we have a block of size 2 and block of size 4. We don't have any block of size 10, so we just simply return -1. And the last, we are asked to free value 7. So value 7 or MID7 is not present, so we just return 0 here. Okay, so I hope the question is clear. We have to just code all the given three function, and it's a more like a brute force approach. So let us just now move on to the coding part. So here let me take a vector of int size v, means not I would name it v, and let me resize it with an n -1. So here -1, that means -1 is a free or empty space. That's what I am representing here, and all the values are from 1 to 1000 of the for the MIDs. So yeah, I can use -1 here. Now further, we need to find a block of size of the given size here inside this v. So and also we need to get the first index of that block. So let me initialize two variable current size as 0 and start index as -1. Okay, the starting index would be the starting index of that block of the size. So we'll just traverse from index 0 to the end. And yeah, if v of I equals to -1, that is it is a free block, then I will just increase the value of current size plus plus, and yeah. Okay, and like if we have initialized it for the first time, then I will also point the starting index of the block to as I. Okay, else in the else condition, what I would simply do is I would just simply then again make the value of current size as 0 and starting index as -1. This is because that let's say we want a block of size 4, but yeah, here let us take this example. So here we wanted a block of size 4, but here the first block that is possible is only of size 1. So we just keep this and again started iterating from here, and we would check the next block of size 3 where it is possible. So it is possible from here, so we would take these 3, right? Okay, and whenever if we get current size equal to size, we would just simply break. Now on further processing, if current size equals to size, let's say if it's less than size, then what we would simply return -1, because here for this example we wanted to allocate a block of size 10, but that was not possible, so we just simply return -1. Okay, and else we would what we would do is we would, let's say here we have assigned MIDs to block of size 3, then the same thing we would do here. For int I equals to start index I is less than start index plus size I plus plus, and what I would simply do is v of I equal to MID, and I will return start index. Yeah, great. So what we do is we just simply store the starting index of the block of this size, and till the size we just initialize the value instead of -1 to MID. Okay, and here for the free function I will just make one variable count, and I will traverse the entire vector, and if the value at the index I equals to MID, then I would simply make v of I equals to -1, that means free, and I would just increase the count, and in that I would return the count variable. Okay, so this was the simple question. Let me try to run it. Okay, start index equal to I strt. Okay, now let me try to submit this. Yeah, it got accepted. So what we just simply coded the given condition, and yeah, we got our output. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys like the video, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.